Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. So here we have the FinClip. So this is a new design for a heel strap for your fins. This is taken from the snowboarding community, and it's basically a bungee heel strap that you don't have to sort of bend down to put it on or to take it off. So it makes your life a lot easier, especially if you have back problems. When you're wearing a big heavy cylinder on your back, it's hard enough to reach down to your fins to get them on. So this makes your life a lot easier. So this is very much a one-size-fits-all design, and it's going to clip onto virtually any fin out there on the market. The main footbed of the product, so this clamps onto the bottom section of your fins. I'll show it to you on the fin in a second, and then the heel strap is hinged. So this is going to sort of hold your foot in the foot pocket, and then the bungee strap attaches like your normal strap would to either side of your fins, and this is what's holding you in. To get out, you push down on this, and that sort of stretches the bungee and lets you put your foot in and out. So it's a very clever design. You've got a few moving parts, complete adjustability. So if you've got larger feet, you can adjust this blue section and sort of elongate it. If you've got a chunkier foot pocket, then you can adjust that. Fully adjustable, so it will fit virtually any fin. Putting it actually on a set of fins. So how it works, it stows away nice and neatly when you put it in storage. Just pull this back, and you can see we put tension on that bungee heel strap. And then to actually put your foot in it, foot goes in your foot pocket as usual, and then you just push down on this heel section, and that naturally pushes the top on, and that strap then sort of goes up towards the back of your heel and sort of locks your foot in position. To get back out of it as well, you can use your hand if you really want to, but you can also use your foot just to push down on that section, stretch out that bungee, and then you can pull your foot out again. So very clever design, very quick and easy. It's a hands-free design to get your fins on really quickly, really easily, and they are very comfortable as well. They're fully adjustable, as I said. You can adjust it to the exact size of your foot. You can adjust the tension on the bungee in this little section here. In a separate video, I'm going to show you how to assemble it, because there are a few sort of moving parts in it, but very quick and easy, and a very handy accessory for your pair of fins. So these are the FinClips. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.